Hey there, YouTube fam. We are here with a brand new video on Chat GPT. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is Chat GPT? Well, don't worry, my friend, because I'm here to explain it all to you in the most humorous and easy to understand way possible. So, Chat GPT is basically a language model created by OpenAI. Now, you might be thinking, language model? What's that, some kind of fancy robot? Well, not exactly. It's more like a computer program that's been trained to understand and generate human-like language. Think of it as your own personal language tutor, only cooler. But how does it work? I'm glad you asked. Chat GPT uses something called deep learning to understand and generate language. Essentially, it analyzes vast amounts of data from the internet and learns from it. Just like how we humans learn from experience. So, the more data it's exposed to, the smarter it becomes. Pretty neat, huh? Now you might be wondering, okay, cool, but what can I actually use it for? Well, my friend, the possibilities are endless. Chat GPT can be used for anything from answering your homework questions to generating creative writing prompts and much other. You can even have a conversation with it, and it'll respond back in a human-like manner. It's like having a virtual friend who's always there to chat with you. But I know what you're thinking. Wait a minute, isn't this all just some fancy schmancy AI stuff? Can it be detected? Well, I'm glad you brought that up. Chat GPT has been specifically designed to mimic human language as closely as possible, so it's pretty difficult to tell the difference between its responses and those of a real human. Plus, it's constantly evolving and getting smarter. So any tells that people might have used to detect it in the past are becoming less and less reliable. So there you have it, folks! ChatGPT is a super cool language model that can do all sorts of amazing things. And the best part, it's completely free and accessible to everyone. So if you're looking for a language tutor, a writing prompt generator, or just someone to chat with, give ChatGPT a try. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fun and informative content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.